Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your Nvidia graphics drivers using the Nvidia app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, look at the left side and tap on drivers. This is where all your graphics drivers updates will appear. At the top of the driver's screen, you will see your current driver version. If there is a new update available, you will see a button that says download update or new driver available. If you don't see anything, click check for updates to refresh the page. If an update is available, click download. The Nvidia app will start downloading the newest drivers. This usually takes a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, you will see an install button. Click it. Your screen might flicker or go black for a moment. This is completely normal. Just wait until the installation completes. The app will let you know when everything is done. After the installation, you will be running the latest Nvidia driver. This helps improve performance, fix issues, and get your PC ready for new games. And that's it. We have successfully updated your Nvidia drivers using the app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.